Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to use conditional statements and loops using JavaScript. Let's begin coding. Create a new file. Name it as index.html. Type in exclamation mark and press enter. Begin with a script tag for inline. Declare a variable called messaged. Next is prompt a user to enter location. In this case, a dialog box will prompt out on the browser. Set the if statement condition here. Start with the word if. Condition of the state is equal to now or an empty then we request user with a message stating to enter the state again. Else using the switch statement over here, for the condition is equal to the expressions, the case set to Orchard Town here. Once it is equal to the expression, then display on the browser that we can deliver. Otherwise, display a message says that we are sorry, we do not deliver at this state. So far we have done and we need to test out and run on the browser our code here. Open our browser. Your pop-out dialog box appear. Let's type in Orchard Town. Click OK. Alright, good. It displays a message on the browser that we can deliver. Let's test again with no input by clicking OK. Right, and clicking the cancel icon button. Good. So What if I enter a different states? What would the message prompt me or display? Great. Let's test again. See, it works. Orchard Avenue. Click OK. Right. We are sorry we do not deliver at these states. Thank you for watching.